shocking order from the Trump administration. The White House Budget Office directing government agencies to pause all federal loans and grants within minutes of taking effect. And within the last hour, a federal judge intervened and blocked the freeze. Contact 2's Mike Colombo joining us now with a closer look at what it means and the local impacts. Mike?
Yeah, it was a two-page memo sent Monday night that created questions, confusion, and panic. That funding freeze that took effect at 4, well, the action from the federal judge has now temporarily blocked that freeze, putting it on ice until next Monday. It has been a day of fear for people across the country and right here in the St. Louis area, where organizations are trying to figure out what it all means for their future.
We're feeling kind of shock and horror and fear for the families that we're serving at the St. Louis Crisis Nursery.
Molly Brown, St. Louis Crisis Nursery CEO, says the organization serves more than 3,000 local families each year, 90% living below the federal poverty line. While the nursery itself doesn't currently receive federal funds, the families it helps does. It's the impact on them she fears.
Our kids deserve to have a place to sleep at night. They deserve to have a bed and a pillow and somewhere safe. They deserve to have, access to food, access to medical care.
Social Security benefits, Medicare benefits, food stamps, welfare benefits, assistance that is going directly to individuals will not be impacted by this pause.
New White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt took questions on the funding freeze in her first media briefing. That freeze could affect trillions of dollars, at least temporarily, and cause widespread disruption in healthcare research, education programs, and other initiatives. Grants that have been awarded but not spent are also supposed to be halted.
The reason for this is to ensure that every penny that is going out the door is not conflicting with the executive orders and actions that this president has taken.
Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer called the freeze more lawlessness and chaos in America.
In an instant, with no precedent, no justification, no legal grounds, Donald Trump has shut off billions, perhaps trillions of dollars that help American families every single day.
For local families in need, it's an uncertain time.
It really could impact the overall well-being of people in our community, neighbors and kids at your kids' school and, people that we know are going to be impacted by this.
A St. Louis organization that helps survivors of human trafficking reached out to us late this afternoon to say that their federal funds are now frozen. Now, how this judge's temporary block might change that for them remains to be seen. Healing Action Network relies on federal funding to provide trauma care, housing assistance, and other support services. The organization fears that trafficking survivors will have to wait longer and have fewer resources as a result of what is taking place, a story that we will continue to follow. Mike Colombo, Fox 2 News.